and I'm just gonna do a kind of birthday type of vlog thing, getting ready for my birthday. So I'm currently dyeing my hair. As you guys can see, I'm dyeing it jet black. I've had my hair jet black for like, that's my go-to, and I haven't dyed my hair in so long, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna dye my hair. So, and I'm doing this right before I go into work, and it's currently about to be 2 o'clock and I go in at 4. So yeah, I'm doing my hair. Just have to do the bottom section and just cover it all up again, and then wait. And yeah, so, and then I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow on my actual birthday when I'm getting ready. I did a huge makeup like shopping spree, so I'm gonna do a makeup haul for you guys and maybe do my makeup on camera. So yeah, this is just me preparing for my birthday. I'm gonna be 23 years old. Yeah, I look extremely bummy right now because I haven't showered and I've been doing a lot of things, so that's why I look like this. But I just wanted to show you guys before, while I'm doing my hair, and yeah, see ya. So this is how my hair turned out. I love it already. I haven't had like black hair, jet black hair in like a while. And I'm waxing my eyebrows right now. Not done yet, but this is how they're looking. And yeah, this is just a little update. So guys, this is my final look. So yeah, I got this foundation. If you guys have tried it, let me know how you like it on your skin. I'm in the shade light beige. And I got the same type of concealer to match the foundation. So yeah, this is a Tarte Concealer Shape Tape. This is also in the shade 228 light beige. And for, what is this? For bronzer, I got the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. Yeah, the chocolate gold. That's how it looks. Then I got the Benefit Dandelion Twinkle. I believe this is highlight. Yeah, I believe this is highlight, so it looks like this. And it comes with a little brush. Ooh, it is highlight. Yeah, I was just confused. I don't know if it was a blush or highlight. It looks like this. It comes with a little brush. Next, I got the Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer. I'm excited to try this one because my pores like so big sometimes with like my foundation, and I don't like it at all. Then I got the Laura Mercier, I think, blush color infusion. The color, what color did I get? Sangria. This is how it looks. Then I got the Laura Mercier translucent loose powder. Never tried this before, but I know it's like one of the greatest powders to use. This is just a facial mist, so afterwards when I'm done with my makeup. It's called Florence by Mills. Got this eyebrow gel, the clear eyebrow gel. Okay, and then I got this Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss, and I actually tried it yesterday because I wanted to see how it would look and how. Then I got this Beauty Blender. And then lastly, I got the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Heat Protector Spray. So I got it just in case I choose to straighten my hair today because like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But yeah, this is all my makeup products that I got. So I'm just gonna get prepared and then I'll come back so I can start my makeup. I'm just gonna start the eyebrow gel. And then with the eyebrow little, let me get closer to you guys. With the eyebrow spoolie, I'm just gonna brush them. There we go. This is how the primer looks right here. Okay, so we're done with that primer. This is how the foundation looks. I actually like it. Not bad. This is how the foundation looks. So now we're gonna do concealer. What do you guys think? So I'm going to bronze up. Look how cute the packaging is. It has like a little heart too. Super cute. Wow, it smells like chocolate. Oh, it's such a pretty color too. Done with that. Now I'm going to set my face. Hi Yoda. Yeah, you know Yoda always has to make an appearance. Hi baby. Try out the blush. I actually haven't really seen the color. I just saw it on display. This is the first time me opening it and seeing it. Jeez. How it looks like. Let's see. Ooh, it's a cute color. Looks like this. Super cute. Wow, it's so cute. I like to put some on my nose. Put a little bit too much on this side, but it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna spritz my face. Wow, it smells so good. I think I'm also not used to seeing myself with like intense matte makeup. Because usually I'm like a little dewy, but I don't mind. Look at the shade, or look at the color. Wow. it's nice. Okay. Well, I'm weird. I like to like always blend stuff out a little bit with my beauty blender. Okay. Sorry, I just did like a neck check to make sure like my neck doesn't look like a whole other color. Okay, so next. Sorry guys, I stopped the camera. Okay, so we're going to be putting on the Wifey for Lifey Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss. Let me show you guys how the lip gloss looks. Sorry guys, my nails look so terrible. This is how it looks. So look how. Now to figure out what I'm going to do to my hair. So be right back. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes, put some mascara, and probably change. So I'll be right back. So I just finished blow drying my hair, and that heat protector smells so good. So I'm gonna start straightening it. I'm gonna curl it. I'm not gonna curl it. I'm gonna straighten it, but I'm gonna like swoop it at the end. Okay, I'm just gonna straighten my hair, and I'm gonna come back because it's gonna take a while. So leave in the comments down below what you guys think of my makeup for today and my hair. I think I look pretty good. I still don't know what I'm going to wear. I just have this little shirt on. I don't know what I'm going to wear, but I just wanted to come back on here and show you guys my hair. Leave in the comments down below what you guys think of it. Honestly, it does look really shiny. So guys, this is my final look. So I decided to go with this hairstyle actually because I think it looks way cuter than how it looked before. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're interested in me doing more makeup videos or get ready with me, feel free to comment down below and comment any videos you guys would like to see from me for this year. And again, thank you guys for supporting me last year, and I can't wait to continue to grow and to show you guys new content. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Hashtag self-love is the best love. I appreciate you guys so much. Leave in the comments down below which hairstyle you like better, when it was down or half up, half down. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll be giving you guys an update on Blue on the next video.